Hello everyone, my name is Benjamin Harina and this is our 20-year-old inefficient furnace. Now the furnace exhaust is hooked up to the furnace exhaust heat recovery system, or FEHRS, to make the furnace very efficient. The heat coming from the furnace exhaust goes through the furnace exhaust heat recovery system and it preheats the cool air going through the FEHRS and into the furnace suction line. Also, it preheats cold fresh air from outside the structure being heated, being suctioned by the furnace, going through the furnace exhaust heat recovery system. Here are some temperature readings, so we can compare these to the previous readings in the first video, when the furnace exhaust is not connected to the furnace exhaust heat recovery system. And one thing I'd like to show here is that the temperature outside is -2 degrees Celsius, and that's the temperature reading entering that's the fresh air temperature going through the furnace exhaust heat recovery system. As you can see here, 27 degrees Celsius is the temperature in the suction line. It's much warmer than without the furnace exhaust heat recovery system, because the cool air is being preheated by the furnace exhaust. And here the 188 degrees Celsius is the temperature exiting the furnace exhaust. It's much higher because the air coming in the suction line is much warmer. And here is 30 degrees Celsius is the temperature exiting the furnace exhaust heat recovery system, and this is the heat that goes out of the chimney as waste heat. And with regards to temperature outside the structure being heated, the colder the temperature outside, the lower the temperature exiting the furnace exhaust heat recovery system. And I'll make a video where the temperature is much colder, so I can show that the temperature readings are much better the colder the cold fresh air coming in to the furnace heat exhaust heat recovery system. Thank you.